Open house season continues. We're here at the DMG MORI event. What a fantastic event. Now, Hainbuch seem to be everywhere.
We are omnipresent, as you know. And, you know, we do seem to get about of it.
Now, I want to find out, how do your products add value to the DMG MORI machine tool range?
Well, the thing is, these days, partnerships are important. And one of the beauties of the Hainbuch range is we not only do the rotational stuff, which we're probably better known for, we do a lot of stationary work holding as well.
Can you give me examples of stationary work holding that you provide and what type of machine tools they go onto?
Well, the stationary stuff is still based around the rotating stuff, in that you can interchange collets into the stationary stuff. So in other words, we've probably put chucks on twin spindle machines, twin turret, multi-turret machines. But if you've got a machining centre in the same shop, you can buy certain stuff from us that will accept those collets, so it's cheap fixturing.
Now, you also supply 0-point location systems for the milling machines. Give me an example of the kind of machine tool that would lend itself, or the application.
Well, 0-point, as you know, Gio, gives you, interchangeability, predictability. So, you can take one part from here, put it on the other, it's going to be in the right place. So, in other words, going back to what I was saying, you could take something off a lathe, put it on a machining centre, exactly it's in the right position.
We touched upon that your products are lending themselves to the lathe, to the milling machines, whether that be horizontal, fifth axis or three axis. But there's also a big theme here at the DMG MORI event with automation.
Oh, yeah.
Now, what products do you offer that lend themselves to automation?
Well, one of the things we've been doing now is the robot loading of collets into the chuck. So, you can fully run a machine unmanned now, even the changing of workpieces and collets.
Now, that is impressive. And automation is still a big theme, but now we keep seeming to hear about Industry 4.0, and we've got a strong theme here today of the digitalisation and the software that's improving productivity and efficiency. Have Hainbuch entered this arena yet?
It's something that is certainly in the pipeline, Gio, and it's going to be coming in the UK very soon, so we'll certainly be whetting your appetite with that very soon.
Well, Dave, as always, thank you very much, and I'm glad to see that you've had your hair cut.
Well, thanks to you. I've got the same hairstylist. I just need to grow it a bit longer. Thanks, Joe.
Cheers.